Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready to go on an amazing adventure into the world of sight. We're going to uncover the super science behind lenses and find out how these simple little things give us the power to see the world with perfect clarity. Ready to dive in? Let's do it. So, have you ever looked at something way off in the distance and it just looked like a colorful blob? Or maybe you've tried to read a book and the letters all kind of mushed together. Well, you're not alone. It's a super common thing, and today we're going to find out exactly why that happens and, more importantly, how we can fix it. You know, when things get blurry, it can lead to some pretty hilarious mix-ups, right? I mean, look at our friend here. They're just trying to pour a nice glass of juice, but whoops, the plant gets a drink instead. It's kind of funny in a cartoon, but let's be real. In everyday life, not being able to see clearly can be super frustrating. And it's not just about pouring juice. Imagine trying to do your homework or read your favorite comic book, but all the words just look like a bunch of squiggly lines. It's impossible. So that's the problem we're tackling today. And the secret solution? Well, it's all about understanding light. So how do we even see, anyway? Well, it all starts with light. Light from the sun or a light bulb bounces off of everything around us and then zips right into our eyes. And here's the first thing you got to know. Light absolutely loves to travel in perfectly straight lines. That is, until something gets in its way. And when something does get in its way, light shows off its secret superpower, refraction. Now that's just a fancy word that means bending. When light passes from one thing to another, like from the air into a glass of water, it actually changes speed and bends. You've totally seen this before. Think about a straw in a glass of water. It looks like it's broken, right? That's not magic, my friends. That is refraction. So who are the experts at using this superpower? Well, let me introduce you to the two heroes of our story, lenses. Over on the left, we have the convex lens. See how it bulges out in the middle? Its special job is to bring light rays together. And on the right, we have the concave lens. It kind of caves inward. Its job is the total opposite. It spreads light rays apart. Okay, let's zoom in on the convex lens. We can call this one the converger. Because it's thicker in the middle, when light rays pass through, it bends them all inward until they meet up at one single super-focused spot. We call that the focal point. And this focusing power has a super cool side effect. It actually magnifies things, making them look way bigger. And here's its partner, the concave lens, also known as the diverger. An easy way to remember this one is that it caves in at the center. Get it? Concave? So it's thinner in the middle. When light goes through this lens, it bends outwards, spreading all apart. And what does that do? It makes things look smaller. You can actually see this for yourself pretty easily. If you grab a magnifying glass, which is a convex lens, and you look at some words, they get huge. That's the converging power doing its thing. But if you were to look through something like the peephole on a door, that's a concave lens, the same words would look smaller and farther away. So cool, right? Two lenses, two totally opposite effects. Okay, now get this, because this is the really amazing part. You have a powerful, natural lens built right into your own body. Yep, the front part of your eye is curved, just like a convex lens. Its job is to take all the light from the world around you and focus it perfectly onto a little screen at the very back of your eye called the retina. When it works just right, you see a perfectly sharp, clear picture. But, you know, sometimes things don't work perfectly. The eye's lens might be a little too powerful, or maybe the eyeball's a little too long. We call this nearsightedness. And what it means is that the eye focuses the light in front of the retina instead of right on it. So by the time the light hits the back of the eye, it's already started to spread out again, making things far away look all fuzzy.
So how do you fix an eye that's being a little too good at its job? Well, you call in our friend the diverger, the concave lens. By putting this lens in front of the eye, it spreads the light out just a tiny bit before it gets there. And that little tweak is exactly what the eye needs to push that focal point backwards so it lands perfectly on the retina. And just like that, crisp, clear distance vision.
Now, on the flip side, you've got the opposite problem, farsightedness. In this case, the eye's lens isn't quite powerful enough, or the eyeball is a bit too short. So it tries to focus the light, but the focal point ends up way behind the retina. This makes things that are up close, like the words in a book, look all blurry. And the hero for this problem? You guessed it! It's the converger, our good friend the convex lens. We just pop this lens in front of the eye, and it gives the eye's natural lens a little focusing boost. It starts bending the light inward before it even gets to the eye, helping pull that focal point forward. right where it belongs, smack on the retina. And hello, clear reading.
Okay, this is all super cool stuff to learn, right? But here's a really important note. This whole explainer is just for fun and for learning. If you think your vision is blurry, the real hero you need to go see is a professional eye doctor. They are the experts who can give you the proper advice and care that your eyes deserve.
But wait, there's more. Correcting vision is just one of the amazing superpowers of lenses. These things are literally everywhere. We use convex lenses in microscopes to see tiny little worlds we could never see on our own. We use them in telescopes to explore faraway galaxies. Cameras use them to snap pictures, and magnifying glasses help us see all the tiny details. Even the peephole on your front door uses a concave lens so you can see who's out there.
All right, wow, we have covered a ton of ground on our lens adventure. So let's just boil it all down to the 5 most important key facts that you need to remember.
All right, you ready? Here are your top 5 lens facts. Number 1, light doesn't always go straight. It can bend, and we call that refraction. Number 2, convex lenses are the convergers. They're fat in the middle and bring light together. Number 3, concave lenses are the divergers. They're skinny in the middle and spread light out. Number 4, glasses are just a clever way to use these lenses to help our eyes focus perfectly. And number 5, lenses basically give us superpowers, letting us see everything from tiny little cells to gigantic planets. And there you have it. That's the secret science of lenses. They bend light to bring our entire world into focus, from the words on this screen to the stars in the night sky. So I've got one last question for you. Now that you know their secrets, what incredible new tool or superpower could you invent using a lens? Thanks so much for joining our adventure into the science of seeing.